Nongshongshnong ka Maikhuli Ri-Bhoi District hakasni Thohdieng kila iamih paidbah penyakit Pyrshah ya ka Memorandum of Understanding Meghalaya hapdeng ka Meghalaya-Assam iapynbeit namar kara jong ki arjala ban pynhap ya ka pung dohkha Shnong Maikhuli sha Assam ka Maikhuli kade ka wei ne ki hindriutli ki chaka ya ka japut ka baladep iapynbeit ya uput usam batikna ha ka jinga kran put jong ka wat beningkong hapdeng ka sarkar Meghalaya pat Assam Nongshongshnong kila penlong da karali ban Pyrshah ya kini ke MoU habadawa jur ya ka sarkar Meghalaya bakade ban pynbeit no ya ke MoU ban pintikna baka pung ri dohkha ka bala besai ka Shnong ka thau la palat san postnem kade ban wan phai biang sha Meghalaya yalam Shnong kle thu bakani ka pung ri dohkha kade ka bala sumar bat khmi da ka Shnong Maikhuli bat Nongshongshnong kle khun man kasnem banyada ya uput usam Pyrshah ya ka jingpin ibor ka Assam ban kamtrai ya ka Shnong Maikhuli Kila thu bakat kum ka MoU ki Menteri Rangba ka Assam bat Meghalaya kila menjur ba ka lum jingtep bat kamaran football ka Maikhuli kan hap no sha ka Meghalaya kan baya kani ka pungri dohkha on shim no sha Assam karali kala Dawa ka sarkar ban pinkala biang ya ka MoU bat ban pintikna bakani ka pungri dohkha kan let biang sha ka Shnong Maikhuli bat kan hap ha Meghalaya.
This is not the Mohamari bill. We call this Meghalaya in our Maikhuli village. This is the Maikhuli village fishery pond. Only we written this name, Maikhuli village fishery pond, not the Mohamari bill. Mohamari bill is 1 kilometer far from here. This is called Patorkusi Nogaung. There is no place now. Mohamari bill there is no, because this is already filled up and constructed dwelling house, everything. That's why people are not known. That's Mohamari bill. Actually, it is not called the Mohamari bill. This is the Mohamari bill is different. That's why we are protesting.